Inside here you have your bedroom. And in this one you do have your residential queen bed, and it is full walk around. You have your laundry hamper over here and your big linen closets all the way through. You do have a spot here for TV too as well. Out here in the living area, you have your nice TV here. You have your big deep farm style sinks, which is great. Your 3-top burner and your oven. You have your microwave as well. You do have your couch. It does fold out into a bed. Your U-shaped dinette, which is awesome for lots of people, and it does go down into a bed as well. You have your 6 cubic foot fridge and freezer. And your triple bunks here on the inside. And here you have a good sized bathroom. You do have a tub and lots of storage space. Now, one great thing about the EVOs is on the slide here you have triple seals. What that means is no water or debris is coming in or out. So that kind of wraps up the 2550 EVO. Once again, I'm Mike Garcia here with Family Fun RV. Go ahead and give me a call if you have any questions, 971-813-0013. Look forward to talking to you. Thank you, guys.